Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamara, and I am back with another try-on haul. But in this video, I'm gonna be showing you all the onesies that didn't make production. Like, I decided not to go through with it, so I pretty much just got a sample made, maybe a couple of samples made, and that's it. And I decided to not, do full production on it. But I wanted to show y'all these, I wanted to show y'all what didn't make full production or whatever. That's gonna be fun, right? Right, try on hauls are always fun. Anyway, it's fun for me and it's fun for you. So anyway, all right, y'all. So this first piece that I have on, it was for Valentine's Day, actually. So it was for Valentine's Day. It's long sleeve, long pants, 7 buttons going down, and then it also has a heart-shaped butt flap in the back. Heart-shaped butt flap. I felt like that was so original. I did keep it posted on my backup Instagram, No Sleep Boutique 2. I kept it on there just in case somebody tried to say they did it first. No, that is not the case. But anyway, yeah. The heart-shaped butt flaps will reappear. They will reappear, and that's all I'm gonna say. So you ain't gotta worry. So even though this didn't make full production, something else will. But that heart-shaped butt flap might be on it. So anyway, yeah. Actually, the manufacturer sent this to me for free because I wasn't going to really work with, well, no, I was going to continue to work with them. It's just I wasn't going to do a Valentine edition because they made my Halloween and Christmas ones slightly small, especially the Halloween ones. And then when Christmas, they kind of made up for it a little bit during Christmas, but they still didn't make them big enough. But now they sent me this. This is a size large, and I got a lot of room in it. A lot of room in the arm and stuff like that, Now they want to make the sample good. Matter of fact, they always make the sample good. And then sometimes they be messing up the bulk. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so next we have a spaghetti strap romper with pink skates on there and with the No Sleep Boutique logo. No butt flap on this one. This one would have been nice. I would say, my finger itching. That means money is coming. My finger is always itching. Oh my God. But anyway, what I was gonna say, oh my God, I feel like this would have been best to put out back when it was actually made. Not right now, because I don't know if I want to make, these are actually rompers. I don't know if I want to make rompers like this anymore, like the spaghetti strap on there. But it depends. I got a couple of these made. I did end up selling one with the adjustable strap on there. So yeah, I sold one, and that's it. But these didn't make full production. But it's cute though. And this is a size medium. It's a size medium, and I think I got this made from, it's not even made from my main manufacturer. I think this was made from another manufacturer. But yeah. Yep. I actually wear this around the house a lot. Like a lot. It's like so comfortable or whatever. When I go to the bathroom, I gotta take the whole thing down, of course, but it's all good. Like, yeah. It's giving. Okay. Yep. Well, I feel like this is a normal try-on haul. I was about to say, this cute, all this. Alright, y'all, so yeah, I just sold the ebook while filming this. Make sure y'all go check out my ebooks. They are lit. Like, I ain't holding nothing back, you know, no gatekeeping or nothing. NoSleepBoutique.com. Go check out them business ebooks, personal ebooks, graphic ebooks. Go check them out. They all on sale, $5 or less. All right, y'all. So anyway, this next piece was made by a bad vendor. A bad vendor. They're terrible. They're so terrible. Anyway, but I think y'all know where I was going with this. It got No Sleep Boutique on there and a little checker inspired little logo or whatever. I think this is okay that I did it like that, but whatever. It didn't make full production. Yeah, I'm not giving, see, that thing distracted me. What I was about to say, anyway, I'll think of it when I come back, when it get back to me. Yeah, so anyway, I was going for the checkered look, No Sleep Boutique, right here. And I was like, I decided I wanted to make the whole thing like a checker, you know, little plaid look. When I looked at this, I should have made, instead of having it like the gray blocks in there, I should have made it like this checker right here, a solid black, solid white, all around. That's what I should have did. And y'all might have seen me wear this in the previous video. I was packing orders, and y'all might have seen me have this on, but y'all didn't get the full look. I was just sitting down, so this is the full look. Elbow length long pants. This is a size small, right? A size small. I shouldn't be able to fit this, but I can though. So I did get a few of these made. I do have the long sleeve version of this made, and it has 2 buttons on there. This one has 3, but yeah, that one is up on my website as open package. If you're interested in getting that, you'll be the only one that have this design. This one right here is mine, the elbow length one. Yeah, y'all. All right, y'all. So I believe y'all seen this design before, the No Sleep Zone. So I did make No Sleep Zone in a 2-piece set first, and then I also made it in a romper as well. And yeah, and I decided I didn't want it in a 2-piece set, and I just decided that I was gonna make it in a long sleeve onesie, short pants, and yeah. So I did get a few of these made too as well. This is my personal one. I got another one that's available on the website in a size medium, and I also have the romper version of this as well as open package on my website. If you're interested, you'll be the only one with that design. So anyway, this one I got made from that bad manufacturer. The other ones that I had got made are from from the manufacturer that I'm working with now. Yeah. So they did have a little error in this. Like this right here is supposed to say no sleep boutique. It does say no sleep boutique, but it's a misprint. Like it's like not clear. It like smeared. So they had to make another one for me. But this one right here I'm keeping for myself, and I'm selling the other one on the website right now. Oh yeah. I probably should have kept it like in a two-piece like this. I probably should have kept it like this. I probably should have, but it's all good. It's all good. And by the way, the onesie version is not restocking, so yeah. And it's not really high-waisted like our drop seat two-piece sets. I mean, it can go above, like in the middle, center of your stomach, but yeah, it wasn't meant to be high-waisted, so. All right, y'all, so last but not least, I know y'all have seen this design before. Chucky wanna play in shorts. So I know y'all seen we have the romper version. I decided to make this in the short version as well. And I decided not to put it out because I'm like, really, I don't know, I just decided not to put the short version out. So yeah, these are mine for sure. I don't have any extras of these. So you won't find these on the website, so yeah. And what I really didn't like about these is that they roll. They kind of roll a little bit. They roll. That's what I didn't like about these. But I like the length of them. It does give you a little butt cheek a little bit, but they don't go too far up. So yeah, I like that. And yeah, they are not high-waisted. They're not high-waisted. You would have to pull the shorts up if you want them to cover your stomach. Yep. Yeah. Y'all, it's a habit sometimes. It's a habit that y'all, if y'all see my butt move when I turn, it's just a habit. I don't be trying to twerk or nothing. It's just a habit that it just, I don't know, that I clench it. I be clenching. So it's just a habit, that's all. Yeah, don't mind me. But anyway, y'all, that is it for this video. I hope you like it. I hope you like this video as much as I liked it. Make sure you like, so it don't want to do it now. It don't want to do it. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Turn on that notification bell so you know exactly when I post. All right, see y'all in the next one.